It's helped me make so many different friends because there are so many people here that do cycle, and I tend to find that like birds of a feather fly together, that sort of thing. Like, so people that I talk to that end up cycling, like we have a lot of things in common.
It's definitely helped me concentrate better. I have ADHD, so I need that exercise to like just kind of calm everything down. So it helps me focus. It gets out that excess energy, and so I think it's been the best thing I've been incorporated into my routine.
I would say that being on campus, I got to explore a lot more by having a bicycle. Like, I didn't have to rely on only getting to explore like during my breaks when I could have the time to walk somewhere. Like, I really got to go to the furthest stretches of campus that I possibly could.
It made me just feel better in general. Like, the serotonin boost is real. Like, it made me like just enjoy nature more. It helped boost, you know, like my confidence in a lot of ways. So it made my commuting made my UF experience significantly better. It helped me like connect to people too who like also biked around.
It's probably been one of the most impactful experiences of my time here in Gainesville overall, like not just UF. It's really allowed me to explore the city. It's allowed me to explore the campus, to find another great outlet for exercise, and always being a great place to kind of get in check with myself. You know, it's honestly become like therapy for me. I think it just offers so much more than just transporting you from one place to the next.
It's like completely tied together. I couldn't really imagine college without cycling, without bikes. I mean, my whole friend group, they all biked, you know, everyone bikes. Like, this is a very, at least for me and for the people I was hanging out with, it was a very like bike-centric type of lifestyle.
Honestly, I think cycling really made my UF experience. It's what helped me feel connected to the Gainesville at large community. It's how I made my friends. It's how I maintained healthy coping mechanisms for the stress of school. It was just a great way to integrate myself into Gainesville.